first cut steel on this project in June 2010, and here we are in February 2012 loading her out, so that in itself is a major milestone.
The design of this was fairly complicated because we had to contend with various rules. So she's classed as a DNV vessel, but also compliant to MODU and SPS rules.
The Brave and Bold Tern are sisters. They are of the Gusto 9000 design, and they are the first two vessels, or at least Brave is the first vessel to be launched of this design, and these are the most modern and efficient vessel, we hope, that shall serve the offshore installation wind industry in Europe. When we are going out to select the yard, we are doing a invitation for bidding. I guess it was about 9-10 yards, Far East, Middle East and Europe. And after a few rounds, so having studied the bids and also made negotiations, we ended here at Lamprell. Lamprell has proven to build similar designs, smaller although in the past, and they had the right price, the right delivery time. Delivery time is very important, so that's why we select them. And of course they also have proven quality in making these vessels. So altogether it landed on Lamprell. Lamprell was not the cheapest, but still we selected them to do the work.
The vessel is 132 metres in length, 39 metres across the beam, runs a complement of 80 personnel on board, spread out amongst 56 cabins. She weighs in currently at 12,000, or a little bit over 12,000 tonnes. When she's completed, she'll be running with a light ship weight of 14,700 tonnes. So it's certainly the largest project that Lamprell have ever undertaken, and is a sizable vessel for any subcontractor or any contractor. She's a self-elevating dynamic positioned vessel, runs DP2. We have Voith-Snyder propulsion aft with 3 Voith-Snyder units, and we have Wärtsilä bow thrusters in the tunnel or in the bulbous bow, and a Kongsberg automation system. Because we construct these vessels on land, we're about 700 metres away from water or from the nearest quayside. So the vessel is actually constructed on stools at a height of 1.4 metres in our yard. We purposely do that so that we've made provision for the load-out regime right from the outset. So there was 418 axles. Each axle had 4 wheels each, which was required to move that 12,000 tonnes. We've been told and had it confirmed from ALE that it's certainly the largest transport move ever in the Middle East on wheels, and we think number 2 in the world ever done on wheels. So it's quite a substantial feat, and to see it safely here is very, very pleasing.
I think this particular project just beautifully demonstrates that size really isn't an issue for Lamprell Jebel Ali, nor the fact that we're not directly on the quayside.
So credit to all parties involved. It's not just myself. There's a big team behind this. I guess upwards with the production people as well. There's upwards of probably 1,500 to 2,000 personnel have been involved on the project overall. So with the teamwork around that, it's an outstanding achievement, something that I'm very, very proud of.